Connect the power plug of the control box. Turn on its switch. And then the control box will work normally. On its back, we can see its signal output port, DMX port and network cable port. Back to the front. Let us adjust the control box to memory card mode. In this way, the LED light will run without other signal input. Now we connect one LED pixel bar to the signal output port of the controller. As the video shows, the LED light works. Let us introduce the functions of these 4 buttons in SD card mode. First, up and down are used to switch the programs of the controller. The controller has 32 programs built in. You can switch different programs with these 2 buttons. In addition, menu and SCT are used to switch the speed of the program. That is the frame rate of the program. The controller supports a speed of 0 to 50 frames per second. As the name suggests, the higher the frame rate, the faster the program runs. Now we show the setting options of the controller. In any mode, long press menu to enter the system options. The first item is mode switching. Press menu to enter the settings. Here you can select the mode you want to use. ArtNet, SACN, SD card, etc. After the selection is completed, press the SCT key to save the settings, and return to the previous interface. The second item is the network address setting of the controller. Similarly, press menu to enter the settings. This option is usually used for ArtNet and SACN modes. Press menu to switch different number positions. Up and down are used to switch numbers. After the setting is completed, press the SCT key to save the settings and return to the previous interface. The third item is the universe number setting of the controller output. Press menu to enter the settings. Up and down are used to switch the universe number of this controller. Press the SCT key to save the settings. The next option is the LED chip selection. Select the correct chip according to the actual connected LED lights. The default chip of LED pixel bar is SK6812. The next option is to set the number of output universes of the port. It is recommended to output 4 universes per port. This is the best setting. The next option is the function of merging pixels. For example, in the project, the first port is connected to 640 pixels. Select 4 LED or pix, which means 6404 equals 170. That is 4 pixels are merged into 1 pixel. For large projects, this method can reduce the data processing pressure of the computer. The next option is to adjust the order of RGB. The color order of LED lights produced by different manufacturers is different. Just select the correct option. For our LED pixel bar, the color order is GRB. The next option is to set the DMX address of the controller. Usually in SD card mode, use a console such as Ma2 to switch the programs and speeds built into the controller. This is the DMX channel table of the controller. One controller occupies 12 DMX channels. This is whether the controller runs a single program in SD card mode or 32 programs in a loop. This option is for the controller to adjust the brightness of the program when it is running in SD card mode. These are the settings for the controller. Now, let us show how to connect to Madrix 5 software using ArtNet mode. Set the controller to ArtNet mode. Set the controller's IP address. The controller's address is now 2. Connect the controller to the computer using a network cable.